Hi, I'm Tom Callahan, Manager for CertainTeed Ceilings Technical Services. Sometimes you're looking for an alternative to the traditional grid and panel acoustical ceiling system. Let me introduce to you Ecophon Solo Clouds. They are a quick and simple solution without compromising for acoustics and aesthetics. So let me show you what you would need to install these panels in the field. First, the Connect Absorber Anchor. Second is the Connect Adjustable Hanger Wire. Third, the Connect Absorber Anchor Bit. Then lastly, your typical screw gun. Let's go through how to install the panels. First, you must locate where to put the anchors in the back of the panel. To make that as simple as possible, we provide you with a template that comes in the cartons with the product itself. When you use this, you want to first locate this template on a corner of the product as you see here. You mark out a vertical line and a horizontal line. What you want to do is now shift your template so that the horizon is lined up with that horizontal line, and so is your vertical there. Then you mark out your corners. And when you are done all four corners, that shows you where to put or insert your anchors into the panel. And then last, right there. So now this template is done and you're ready to go installing the anchors. The great thing about these anchors is that there's an integral washer here to stop it from going too far into the panel. Now let's move on to actually installing the hanger wire. These hanger wires come with a square end on one side and a loop on the other side. To attach the hanger wire to structure, we leave that method of attachment up to the contractor. So when you're attaching these anchors and hanger wires to the panel itself, there's a two-part system. First the wire and this adjustable anchor itself. It goes into this opening as such. You push the wire through and out. The beauty of this product is that you can go and pull up on all you want to adjust the height, but you can't pull back down on it. There is no give in the system. So I can adjust it height-wise if I need to. If I need to move it down, there is a button on top here that I must depress to bring it down and change it vertical, up or down. Let's bring the panel up. As you see here, using one hand to steady the panel underneath it, bring in your hook here and simply clip it into the anchor. Using these accessories, these panels can be angled up to 60 degrees. Simply depressing this button at the top, and bring the panel down, and the same thing on the other anchor. You can angle it up to 60 degrees at the most. Using the same installation hardware, you have the flexibility to be able to install panels flat or angled. When you do panels flat, you can stack up to 4 panels deep. If you're on an angle, you can go up to 3 panels deep.